Hello everyone, welcome to CashMyIQ.com. This is Kiran, and thank you very much for joining today's session on MySQL. And this program is just to find out fastest finger first winners, first three positions from this session. So that's what we say FFF, right? Basically, we have prepared about 20 questions in this session. So with it's a multiple choice question. So we will read out each question, and then also we will be provided with options. So you have to choose the right option, and you have to post that your answer in the comment box. So I'm just taking you through the interface. If you're joining from desktop, this is the interface where you can see here uh, the comment box on top chart, comment box here. Whenever you feel answer a good answer for a question, so you can post it here. You just post a number, that's enough for us. And also, if you are joining from a mobile device or your tab or iPad, right? So this is where you can post your answers, right? Let's get started. Okay, let's see mentioning on screen here. So the quiz is about MySQL. MySQL fastest finger first online test, right? So basically in this program, right? So live session, you'll have two sessions, session one and the session two. Basically, right? So the first stage is I will show and read the question. So the questions will come on screen. I will read as well as it will be displayed on screen. So you have to listen and watch carefully. The second step is I will show and read the options which are available for that question. So you have to listen and watch carefully. And then finally, you have to post the correct option number in your chat or comment box, so which I showed you earlier, right? So this is basically to find out the fastest finger first, right? And after finishing all these questions, we'll move to session number two. Basically here I'll show the correct answers of all questions which we have taken in previous session one, right? And based on that, our system will find out fastest finger first winner. So basically we'll announce the three position, number one, two, and three, and that winner details will be posted in the chat box or comment box, so you can check it later. Okay, let's get started. Right, the first question is with SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named students where the last name is alphabetically between and including Robert and Peter? Let's see the options. The option number one is select last name greater than Robert and last name less than Peter from students. The option number two is select asterisk from students where last name greater than Robert and last name less than Peter. And the option number three, select asterisk from students where last name between Robert and Peters. Okay, please drop your correct option in the comment box. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number two, which SQL statement is used to return only different values? Right, select unique, select distinct, select different. So these are the three options. So find out the best option, the right option, and drop it in chat box. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number three, which SQL keyword is used to sort the result set? The given options are option number one, order by, option number two, sort, option number three, order, option number four, sort by. Please drop your correct option in chat box. Let's move to next question. Question number four, what does SQL stands for? Here four options are there. The first option is structured query language, strong question language. Option number three, structured question language. Option number four, sequential query language. So please drop the correct option number in chat box. Let's move to the next question. Question number five, what is the most used type of join. So number 1 option is join table, number option 2 inside join, option 3 inner join, option 4 join. So drop your option, correct option in chat box. Let's move next question. How much characters are allowed to create database name? Option number 1 64, option number 2 55, option number 3 45, and option number 4 72. Right, so please drop your correct option in chat box. Let's find out the fastest finger fast. The next question, number 7, in a like clause you can ask for any 8-letter value by writing. Oh, here the different options are there, right? So option number 1 like 8 question marks, option number 2 like 8 dots, option number 3 like 8 underscore characters, option number 4 like 8 in braces. So choose the right option for this question and drop it in chat box. Let's move to next question. Question number 8, with SQL, how do you select all the records from table name employees where the value of the column first name is Steve? Right, so here are 4 options. Option number 1, select asterisk from employees where first name not equal to Steve, and option number 2, select all from employees where first name equal to Steve, and option number 3, select asterisk from employees where first name equal to Steve, and option number 4, select all from employees where first name like Steve. So please choose the right option and drop it in chat box. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 9. Which operator is used to select values within a range? Here are 3 options. First option is range, option number 2 is within, option number 3 between. Please choose the right option number and drop it in chat box. Let's move to the next question. Question number 10. Which SQL statement is used to create a table in a database? Option number 1, create table, option number 2, create database tab, option number 3, create DB, option number 4, create database table. Find out the right option, a correct answer for this question and drop it in chat box. Let's move to the next question. Question number 11. Which SQL statement is used to extract data from a table? Options are 1, get, option number 2, select, option number 3, extract, option number 4, view, option number 5, open. So find out the right option and drop it in chat box. Let's move to the next question. Question number 12. A view is nothing but a dash table or stored query. So options are 1, dynamic, option number 2, real, option number 3, virtual, option number 4, static. So find out which is suitable for this particular question and drop it in chat box. Let's move to the next question. Question number 13. Use keyword is used to select a what? So here are the 4 options. Option number 1, table, option number 2, column, option number 3, database, option number 4, field. Find out the right option and quickly chart and drop your right option. Right, the next question, number 14. What command is used to permanently remove a record from a database table? Option number 1, drop, option number 2, truncate, option number 3, remove, option number 4, delete, option number 5, cut. Oh guys, quickly. So drop your correct option in chat box and let's move to the next question, or question number 15. With SQL, how can you return all records from a table named employees stored descending by first name? Here are the 4 queries. Option number 1, select asterisk from employees Sort by first name, descending orders. Option number 2, select asterisk from employees, order by first name, descending order. Option number 3, select asterisk from employees, order by first name, descending order. Select asterisk from employees, short first name, descending order. Right. So drop your, hope everyone text your options in chat box. Let's move to the next question. Question number 16. What is a candidate key? Right. So options are option number 1, candidate key used to uniquely identify a row. Option number 2, alias for primary key. Option number 3, used to identify a column. Option number 4, alias for foreign key. Drop your right option in chat box. Let's move to the next question. Question number 17. Which statement is used to delete a table? Right. So the options are option number 1, drop table. Option number 2, delete table. Option number 3, del table. Option number 4, remove table. So drop your right option quickly, fastly in chat box. Right. Let's move to the next option. Right, the next question is 18. Which of the following file extension is a valid MySQL file extension? MySQL is basically a storage engine. Let's see the options. Option number 1, .ism. Option number 2, .myd. Option number 3, .my. Option number 4, .mys. So guys, quickly type your answer in chat box. Let's move to the next question. What will be the output of the query select minimum amount from expenses? Let's see the options. 1, return the lowest expenses value. The query will generate an error. It's a tricky question, right? So you must know the functions, right? So choose the right option and drop it in chat box. Let's move to the final question in session 1. User function returns the current user's username and dash, right? So option number 1, password. Option number 2, hostname. Option number 3, both password and hostname. Option number 4, database name associated with the user. Right, great. So choose the right option and drop it in chat box. Wow, we are done with session 1. So we are now going to find out fastest finger fast winner, right? So before going to declare the winner, right? So let's review the answers, right? So you can check out whether you have answered right correctly or not. And of course, timing is very important. How fast you're responding to a question and based on options is very important, right? So let's move ahead. The question number 1, with SQL, how do you select all records from table named students where the last name is alphabetically between and including Robert and Peter? So the correct answer for question number 1 is option number 3. That is, select asterisk from students with last name between Robert and Peter. Okay, let's move to the second question. Which SQL statement is used to return only different values? Okay, the correct answer for this question is select distinct. So it's an option number 2. For question number 2, the right answer is option number 2, select distinct. Right, let's move to the question number 3. Which SQL keyword is used to sort the results set? Right, great. So here the correct answer is option number 1, it's order by. Let's move to the question number 4. What does SQL stands for? The correct answer is option number 1, structured query language. Let's move to next question. What is the most used type of join, right? So the correct answer is option number 3, it's inner join. Question number 6. How much characters are allowed to create database name? Its correct answer is option number 1, 64. Question number 7, in like clause, you can ask for any 8-letter value by writing what? Okay, so the option number 3 is right answer. It's like with underscores. Right, let's move to the next question. With SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named employees where the values of the columns first name is Steve, right? The correct answer is option number 3, select asterisk from employees, where first name is Steve, first name equal to Steve, sorry. Right, let's move to the question number 9. Which operator is used to select values within a range? Okay, right. So the correct option is option number 3, between. Let's move to the next question. Question number 10. Which SQL statement is used to create a table in a database? The correct answer is option number 1, create table. Let's move to next question. Question number 11. Which SQL statement is used to extract data from a table? So the correct option is option number 2, select. The question number 12. A view is nothing but dashed table or a stored procedure. Its correct option is option number 3, virtual. Let's move to the next question. Question number 13. Use keyword is used to select a option number 3, database. Question number 14. What command is used to permanently remove a record from a database table? Right. The right option is for delete. Question number 15. With SQL, how can you return all records from a table named employees to shorted descending by first name? So the correct option is to select asking from employees order by first name descending order. Let's go to question number 16. What is candidate key? The correct answer is 1. Option number 1, used to uniquely identify a row. Question number 7. Which statement is used to delete a table? Right, so the answer is option number 1, drop table. Question number 18. Which of the following file extension is a valid MySQL file extension? The correct answer is option number 2, .myd. And question number 19. What will be the output of query select minimum amount from expenses? So the correct option is 2. The query will generate an error just because there is no function called minimum. So the correct function name is min. Right. Let's move to the next question. This is the final question in our review sessions, session 2. User function returns the current user's username and dash. The correct option is option number 2, host name. Great. So we are done with this session, live session, and quiz is over. And this is now time for revealing fastest finger first winner. 3 winners, first and second and third. So you can check the right winner in comment box, right, in due course. Right. Thank you very much for joining this session today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new and tricky questions and right options. So please subscribe this channel and to get latest notifications on our future videos. And please do comment, share with your friends so that you can learn a lot. So this is all about learning new things. Thank you very much. Signing off for today. Bye bye.